part 1 of this series, I showed you how to make this light bar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the light bar. First, I measure the inside cavity of the light box for my mounting plate. Subtract 1/4 inch from the width and 2 inches from the length. This will allow for adjustments when installing the light box. After taking the dimensions for the mounting plate, I cut it out of a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. Next, I pre-drill the mounting holes. I use the mounting plate as a spacer for the light box. I want a 3/4 inch space between the light box and the medicine cabinet. Mark out the 2 sides of the box and the top of the box. Draw another line 3/4 inch below the line from the light box. This is where I will install the mounting plate. I then mark the pilot holes on the drywall with a drill bit. I use easy screws to install the mounting plate. Attach the mounting plate to the easy screws with wood screws. I am now ready to drill a hole for my power cable. Be sure to mark out your wall studs. In this case, I forgot and drilled into a stud. When you don't hit the stud, the spade bit pops right through. I can now fish the power cable through the hole. Next, I strip the shield back from the romex before installing it to the light box. Run the romex through the romex connector in the gem box and tighten the screws. Make sure you allow plenty enough wire to work with when pulling it through the box. Now I make sure the light box is lined up with the sides of the medicine cabinet and attach it to the mounting plate using 1 5/8" screws through the holes I pre-drilled earlier. I now strip the wires back and connect them. Attach the white to white, black to black, and ground to ground. I use wire nuts to connect the wires together. When I'm finished, I tuck the wires inside the box. I then remove the grounding screw and attach a pre-made grounding whip. I then connect all the ground wires together and secure them with a wire nut. If there is a ground wire connected to the cover of the light kit, make sure you attach that wire too. I am now ready to reinstall the cover plate. I'm now ready to install the bulbs. I didn't have sandable wood putty when I built the box, so I'm using colored wood putty now. That's all I have for this video. Join me next week when I show you how to install the switch and run the wire for the light box. Until next time, thanks for watching. if you'd like to see more how-to ideas, visit my website at www.doityourselfwithjoe.com. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. Also, visit and like me on Facebook.